welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in my items. I have about 500 videos on my channel, all kinds of different things, all kinds of fun learning and education, and also how-to videos. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back and watching my video. I do appreciate you as well. Everyone is awesome, and I do appreciate everybody. So this video is all about this base. So I've had a problem in the past with this specific base, and this base is from one of those Brite trees. And if I'm familiar with those trees, they sit on top of the base here. There's a little light in here that spins around like old school, and it gives it up, and it has a fiber optic branches, and it makes it all bright and whatever. But a lot of times you can't get the bases open. People get confused, and it's really difficult to open the bases. And I just want to make a video to show you that. So when you get the instructions, and I have one of these trees, so it gives you, like, if you want to change the bulb. So if you want to change the bulb, how do you change it? How do you open the base? Well, if you look at the instructions, okay, it looks fairly simple. I'll turn it around so you can see it. It says lift tab, twist pot counterwise. So that's what it says. So it says lift up tab. Okay, so I think people get a little confused with the lift up tab. So here's the tab here, so hopefully you can see it. So lift up, you think it's this way, which is lifting it up this way. And you lift it up, you cannot get this open if you lift it up because it's locked. Lifting it up, it does not work at all. You can try for hours and hours. I've had actually people return items because they couldn't get it open, and there was really nothing wrong with it. They didn't need a bulb or anything. They just wanted to open it, and they just wanted to figure it out, and they couldn't do it. So I wanted to make a video to show you how to open it. So the best way to open it is, here's the tab here. So the instructions say lift up and twist. Easy, right? Well, not really. You have to really know the secret. So you can twist it, and you can push it up, and you can twist it, and you can twist it. It's really lifting it towards you. So it's lifting it up really means lifting it up this way. So hopefully you all can see. I want you to really see what's going on here. Let me get some more light over here so you can see. I want to make this video because I think a lot of people are having trouble opening up these bases, and I really want to show you. So now you can see better. So here's the tab right here. So a lot of people are lifting it up this way and turning and turning and trying to open the base. It's really pulling it towards you. It's really pulling it down, really. You pull it down, and then it opens right up, okay? You just pull it down. So here's the lock. So you can see here, this little piece here, this piece here locks into a groove. And if you don't open that lock, it will not open. Get the dirt out of there. So that's how that works. So it slides in here and locks into this channel. And to open up the channel, you have to lift this up this way towards you, okay? And that's how you open it. So it says lift open, which it looks like it's easy, but it's really not clear what it means. So really what it means is just lift it towards you, and that's how you open this up. And to close it, so it's, once you learn that secret, it's super simple. Just like it says, it's just like a pot. Super duper easy. So now you just pull it towards you, twist the pot, opens right up. You don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to hurt your hands. You don't have to hire friends, get mechanics over, whatever you need. It's super simple. Did take a little bit of time to learn. It says pull up here. Again, pull up means, I would think, pull up this way because it's pointing this way, the arrow. So you're thinking pull up this way, and it won't work. It's still locked. You have to pull it towards you. So it really should say pull towards you, then that unlocks it. And that's how you open up these Brite little, they call them little pot areas. Once you learn the secret, really easy to do. All right, guys, I just wanted to make this video to you because I think a lot of people are having trouble changing the bulbs, opening up these pots, maybe throwing them away for no reason, and super simple to open once you know how. All right, that's it for me. I hope you appreciate this little tutorial if you're having some trouble. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It does help me out quite a bit. I do appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You guys have been awesome. 2021 has been fantastic, and I appreciate all your time. So I hope I brought you some value. I hope I brought you some information that you didn't know. Please don't forget, and also consider subscribing, joining my channel as well if you'd like to. It is a small monthly fee, and it does help support me so I can continue making these videos for you, and that would really be grateful. If you're interested, you get priority emails, and you get special videos and all kinds of cool stuff. So that's what that's all about. All right, guys. I appreciate it as always. I hope you learned how to open up this crazy thing, but I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.